What's up, everyone? This is a meditation for all the obstacles and challenges you're going through in your life. So to start, let's get comfortable as best you can. Create a straight spine. Take a nice big breath in as you close your eyes. And then exhale from your mouth, relax. Notice yourself connected to the ground, whatever part of your body is touching the floor or the earth. Big breath in. Nice gentle breath out from your mouth. Let it just fall from your lips. One more now. Big breath in, fill up with air. Super slow exhale out, let it go. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your attention to a challenge or an obstacle that you've been rolling over and just beating into the ground mentally, constantly thinking about it. Maybe it's eating you up inside, or maybe it's taking up a lot of your energy. Notice it. Notice the energy you feed to it. Notice how you've helped to create it by thinking about it. It's okay. We're going to let go of that attachment and that creation and bring it into something good. Now take a nice big breath in, fill up with air, really observe that feeling of that situation that makes you feel like crap. Hold that breath in. It might be a person or a place or a thing, something that you're constantly thinking about. And what I want you to do before you exhale is just say, thank you for existing. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to grow, but you may now go. Exhale as you release that air, like you're releasing that problem. Now I know it's still there, and that's okay. Be aware of it. Take a nice big breath in. Hold that breath in and allow your mind to settle on the idea that obstacles and challenges are only presented for us to learn and to grow. Exhale. Pause. You're going to be just fine. What you're presented with is just the universe giving you an opportunity to become great. Inhale deep. Hold that breath in. Notice how you're feeling. Notice if that negativity has lifted at all or if it's still there. Either way, it's all good. But as you exhale, you release attachment to any of those outcomes, to those people, the places, the situations. It's now gone. Now sit with yourself for a moment. You don't have to focus on your breath unless you want to. Just notice the stillness you've created. You've now detached from the situation, from the person or that place, and you can now show them love. We are all reflections of each other, but it does not mean that we control other people. It's a full-time job trying to better ourselves. So sometimes we must just surrender, to let go, to become what we're meant to be. And ultimately what we're meant to be is what we choose to be. And whatever feelings or vibrations come over us, it is our opportunity to grow, to enhance our superpowers, and to become the most badass version of ourselves. So come back to your breath as you breathe in. Pause. Think about that person or that situation and say thank you for existing. Exhale, let it go. Big breath in. Hold that breath in. Say to yourself, thank you for giving me the opportunity to grow, but you may now go. And with that statement, you are free. Exhale. Now bring your hands to the center of your chest. Rub them together a little bit. This creates some friction to ground us back down. Plug your thumbs into your heart. Make sure you breathe in really deep. Feel your pulse, feel your heartbeat, and give yourself some gratitude for being alive in this situation, in this present moment, to learn and to grow, and simply to just be. Exhale, bow your fingertips and your nose close together. And then open your eyes. Hope you're feeling all right. That is something I like to do whenever I'm feeling a little kind of covered in crap, if you will, from situations that have roughed me up, or people or places or things that seem to kind of throw me off my game. I do my best to show them love, but I realize that I first must detach from the situation, not surrendering in a sense of just like, get me out of here, but just kind of surrendering the outcome. So I'm not attaching to the outcome of it being a certain way. I'm just allowing it to be. And in that, then I can send love. So once I let go of the person or place that I'm trying to control, which is funny to think about, then I can accept for what it is. Because a lot of times our suffering just comes from trying to control reality and what we think things should be. When the world's just gonna be how it's gonna be, we need to do us. So this way we can be our superhero and have our superpowers, and then bring those into the world instead of letting the world rough us up with its own superpowers, which tend to, weigh heavy on us, if that makes any sense to you. So thank you for tuning in. Just know you always have the ability to breathe and to detach from situations and people if they no longer serve you, or if they're bringing negative energy into your life. You can then show them love. And that's the most important thing, I think, is to show the love that you wish to receive. So show that love to people that seem to rough you up, and you're gonna lift and transcend your own vibration higher than you can ever imagine. So just do your best to support people and to show them love as best you can. And just know that that's gonna take sometimes you just pausing, taking a breath, detaching from that person, showing them love, and then releasing the outcome of the situation so that you can be and not have to worry about how it's turning out. So hope that was helpful, and I hope you're having a good rest of your day. Rock on and keep breathing. Peace.